Welcome back to SweepSheet Tutorials. Today we are going to highlight how to create a print queue of mail-in sweeps. Now a lot of you are asking, why would I want to print a sweepstakes that is on the website when I can just enter it? And that's a good question. We've found, and we've heard from lots of our members, that having them printed when you are entering mail-ins is really helpful for getting addresses and other information right at your fingertips to make sure that you have it all correct before putting postage on it and putting it in the mail. So let's dive in and take a look at this. We're going to begin by going to the sweepstakes listings page. Once we're here, we're going to go in and we're going to go right down here to this section that says mail-in sweeps. For this video, we're going to focus just on the mail-ins that were entered on Tuesday, January 16th, and you'll see there are a handful of them here, all AARP. What we're going to do is we're going to check each of these because we're interested in all of them. And we're going to go right up here to Add Selected Sweeps to Print Queue. We click that button and you'll see that 8 of them are now captured. Our next step is to go to the print queue itself. From the print queue, we have a couple of decisions we can make. We can select all of them, or we can select individual sweeps, whatever you prefer. In this case, we're going to select all of them. We're now going to decide whether we want this to be printable as 1, 2, or 3 column pages. One page or one column looks just like this. 2 columns, as you would expect, 2 columns. And 3 columns, again, as you would expect, 3 columns. The only difference is how much text is going to be printed on each page, and you can make that decision based upon what's best for you. However many pages you want, how spread out you want it on the page, how much paper you want to use, again, whatever makes the most sense for you and whatever you prefer. For this example, we'll take the 2 column configuration. All I'm going to do is go here, I'm going to click print, I'm going to choose my printer, and I'm going to hit print. As soon as I do that, that's going to show up on my printer. I have it in my fingertips and I'm ready to go. What's important to note about this, and specifically about the print queue, is you can add any type of sweepstakes or any individual sweepstakes you like to your print queue and then print them, have them right at your fingertips. Whatever you want, it's right there on paper. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We're always available. That's customer service@sweepsheet.com. Good luck.